So now I'm going to show you how to do some do-it-yourself landscaping here. Okay, so I'm not used to doing this stuff. This is not really my job, but to save a lot of money on a property, I decided to do my landscaping by myself there. And after planting the seed to get some nice grass there. So as you see, I just started there, this first portion there, one first load of soil. And as you can see over there in the background there's two other loads of soil. So you just need like a wheelbarrow, you need a landscaping rake and a shovel, boots, and just not be lazy and work. So as you can see, I'm dumping some loads from the wheelbarrow of soil here, right here. And I'm doing the borders first there. That's how I fill in there. But it's looking pretty well. Pretty good, I'd say. So I'll show you later how I use how to do the angles and have having the amount of soil I want here using these pieces of lumber here. Actually, this was a big one year cut in two. It's an old one, it's like 10 years old. So that's how I'm gonna be able to do, I'll show you right here. So this type of angle here, see? So it's nice and straight. So you can see here the soil. I used the landscaping scrape here to kind of level here. And I'm not trying to do something perfect, but I'm trying to do something nice here. I have enough soil so I can put the seeds for the grass, as you can see. So if you look over there, I still have lots to do, see? So this is how I'm going to work out the thickness here. I'm going to take this old piece, this old plank of wood there, and put it at a certain angle here so I can have the thickness of soil I want to, and it's better to fill in and do borders like that there. I'm just going to show you right here how this goes. So I'm going to take a load of soil right here, as you can see, and just fill the borders here like that. Pretty simple. So now you see I've put all the soil right here around. So I'm just using the rake here to level. There you go. Do it the way you want, right here. And see, for example, here, I want to put a little bit more soil because I'm planning to put some roses there, rose bushes there. So I'm adding a little bit more soil right here. Yep, here's the job. Now, other way here, if you wanted to level it and take your time, just take a stick like this here, flat stick, and just go all the way like this here and kind of level like that. That's if you want to make it nice and flat. You can work it out like that. Some people have different techniques for that there if you want. But I pretty much think that the landscaping rake is good enough.